I never use this technique of bevel in logo or text. So I want to share with you this technique. Maybe you find it helpful. You can make it for your logo or your text and you can animate it. In Blender you can animate almost anything. I'll show you just how to make it. This tutorial will be not with all the stuff that I do in every tutorial before. So I go and I open a new file. I add text. In Blender it's faster to make a 3D text. Go in geometry, extrude it, give it a depth, don't go so far, maybe just like this. To give your text this effect, just go here in profile. And after you can play with this to make it as you want, or you can go just in default and you can add more node to give it the look that you want. And after that you give it material and you can animate this depth. Just make it in 0, right click, insert keyframe and choose the number of frames that you want and increase this depth. Right click, insert keyframe and you have your animation. You can play with the color, the effect. This is just a sphere. I make it in glass to give it this nice look. If you know this technique, let me know. So I hope that you like this video. See you in the next one.